kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today what we are going to do is, do you know Ganesh Chaturthi is coming on 22nd of August? But remember children, this time the Ganesh Chaturthi is not going to be the way it is, it will be online. So today we are going to draw an online Ganesh Chaturthi. That means we will draw a tab or a TV on which all the bhakts are having their darshan. So we will quickly start making the Ganesha first. So for the Ganesha, first what will we do is make a TV. It should be a tab instead, or a mobile on which everybody is going to have darshan, correct? So we'll quickly make one rectangle. This is your iPad, children. This is the iPad. And we will quickly make a Ganesh drawing inside. So this will be the trunk, correct? See, 1, 2, and the trunk. And after this, the teeth should come here and one teeth should come here. Now there should be one eye this side and one eye this side. Now the eye has to be really pretty. So this will be the eye, and over here this should be the eye. Is it okay? No, it isn't. So this should be the eye. This should be okay. Now here we will make the hair of Ganesha. We'll make it a little designer. Now we are going for a darshan for this Ganpati Maharaj. So now this is too much, I think so. This should not come. Now the hair should come here. They should come here. I'll do a little bit of doodling also today. So the eye is proper. After that we will have the face cut. And let's draw this ears of Lord Ganesha. Now this is the hair which I have made, and I'm going to make it a little doodle way this time, because now there will be a pretty girl. I'll just make one figure watching it. She's having a mobile on her hand and she's watching it. So I have just zoomed the mobile and I'm showing you that she's going for a online darshan of Lord Ganesha. So this will be the doodle part. So the doodle part can be anyhow. You should just be able to do it well. That's it. I think so. The size is a little teda. So what I do is I quickly rub it off, or yes, this should be the eye. See, multiple strokes is the way I do it. Let us make a lotus here. You can do whatever you wish, children. It is all up to you. Okay, and here I'm going to show the various colors. I just want to show that a girl is doing online darshan of Lord Ganesha. Online Ganesha darshan. Tan-ta-dan! This should be as theme. I just got an invitation from our own building for online Ganesha darshan. That is why it came into my head. Okay, let's make a Ganesha. I was about to make a Ganesha, but then I had not decided that I shall make this way. But then somebody has given me an idea, and so it has clicked me. So this will be the ears. Yes, that's it. I don't want to do much of Lord Ganesha drawing. We will do all gulals over here, and then we shall show a little girl. We can show her holding it, or what should we do? I'm confused actually. What we will do one thing. Let us make the girl and let us decide later on. So this will be her khopda, her back, because she is facing. We will be able to see the back of the girl. So this is her ponytail. Children, if boys wish to make boys, it's up to you, because it is always like that. Boys wish to make boys and girls wish to make girls. So this will be her neck, this will be her back portion now. Okay, so if her hand goes like that, no, it will become too big. So let it be. She's just sitting and she has connected her tab to a TV and she's watching it. That would be better. Na? That would be better. So we can make more children also having online darshan of Lord Ganesha. These are her hands. No, this hand should be a little big. And she's sitting in that palathi wala position and she's watching. Now this will be her hand. They are all having online darshan of Lord Ganesha. So there will be an auntie coming from here and giving laddus also. See, have laddu, have this, that all will be online. And you also have to put the prasad online. So Lord Ganesha's festival will be celebrated differently this time. Okay, so let us make one more girl sitting here. We can make many children, in fact. I had decided to make only one. Now this girl is with one pony. So she's sitting like that. Okay, this is her rubber band, this is her pony, and her gala is gone behind. Now we'll make her with an off-shoulder dress. A pretty girl with an off-shoulder dress. Okay, she's worn a belt behind and this is the bow of the dress and she's sitting here. Now since this is an off-shoulder dress, so she's sitting like that having the darshan of Lord Ganesha. So that's it. We don't want to make much. Online darshan of Lord Ganesha. Y'all can do one thing. Y'all, if at all y'all bring Lord Ganesha home, and if y'all want to send invitations, y'all can put, please come and visit our online Lord Ganesha Zoom meeting, है ना? धूम मीटिंग तारक मेहता में बोलते हैं ना, इट इज नॉट Zoom, it is धूम मचाओ. It is not a TV set, it is a small mobile which is connected. Okay, so let me put a wire and a plug here, and okay, this will be the socket, this shall be the switch. Okay, this is the switch, it's on. And what will we do is, this is connected to a mobile or an Apple device. So we shall show a laptop, in fact, here, and we'll have the same Ganesha. We'll not do much, but we will show that this is the same which has been bloated up on TV and it is being shown over here. So this is your laptop's bacha with the keypad here. I think so that should suffice. If you want, you all can make one more chap over here. Yes, we should. I think so. Abhi kya karenge? We will make one and ting ding ding ding, ting ding ding ding. We'll make her little girl with a big choti. So all girls, huh? Sorry, Chip. We'll make an auntie with her blouse. This is her blouse. Okay, she's just walking in, so she says mujhe bhi darshan karne hai, and this is her sari palla which is going here, and this is her pitu, and this is her handu. So she's just coming towards further darshan. So this is a drawing for the online Lord Ganesha darshan. If I find some good theme, more good theme, I shall go in for it again. So till then, let us do the marker part and color our Lord Ganesha. Okay, so this is the tilak. Now this is the doodle part, so when I'm doing it with black, I'll do it more carefully because we are using the doodle theme here. So this Lord Ganesha has come in Tanu teacher's house, and all these I've given invitation to everyone. So all my bacha party has come down for darshan, and I'm drawing the same here. Now this is one of his ears. Just leaving the figure, not bothering much about it. चलता है, ये सब चलता है. Okay, so I'm just showing the lotus, and बाकी का I will just do humpad tampad. I'll show you how it is done. Now this part, now what I had done was wrong, so let me correct it. This is a little doodle part which I am doing. Okay, now these I'll do that with scale. Now this is the girl sitting here. Online darshan of Lord Ganesha. This corona has brought the entire life to a standstill. But I'm sure everything is going to go well, and we will be successful in throwing off this corona away from our lives, and our lives are going to restart properly. So no worries at all. See, had this lockdown not happened, I wouldn't have opened this YouTube channel. So one thing which happened good for me is that I have started my YouTube channel. Never thought of it, but it is happening. I never thought of having international students. I'm having. Lord Ganesha always says कि हर बुराई के साथ कुछ अच्छाई छुपी होती है. Our environment has become clearer because of this lockdown. अच्छी बात हुई है. Correct. So there are so many things which are happening for the good. So never grumble. कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होएगा. ये स्विच बोर्ड है बच्चा पार्टी. पता नहीं अच्छा बना है कि नहीं बना है, पर ये स्विच बोर्ड है. ओके, टेढ़ा हो गया. नाउ दिस इज आवर लैपटॉप विच इज हैविंग अ स्मॉल स्क्रीन, एंड हमने पर्दा लगाकर उसको जंबो स्क्रीन कर दिया है. एंड अगेन दिस इज अ मेमोरी ड्राइंग चिल्ड्रन. इसको जंबो स्क्रीन कर दिया है ताकि वी कैन see it more clearly. This is the colony ka Ganesha. So all children have gathered ke hum dekhte hain, kam dekhte hain, because nobody is allowed down in the building premises. So there's a big screen which is put up, and all children, actually you should make it little far, following the rules of social distancing. No gathering in large amounts, and we will do this. This is the laptop. We'll quickly make we'll make the soond part so that it is clear that it is Lord Ganesha. This is the ear part, a small part, and there is a lotus here, this part. Okay, so this is the same thing which is here. and baki ka is just the house, so don't really bother. Now I'll quickly rub my pencil parts and we'll start with the coloring. Children, before we start doing the Ganesha coloring, we will do the coloring of this figures first. See, this is the hand part, this is the neck part. They are seeing that side. Okay, this is her neck. A little bit of hand is visible here. Bas. Now this is the back of the lady, and this is the back of the lady. So we are coloring it with skin. Okay, then we'll quickly go in for the hair part. So for the hair part, what we do is we use the yellow gray color a little bit here, and then we shade it with black. It has gone out. Actually, when you have small colors, it becomes a little difficult, but then it's okay. You should never waste colors. You should use it till the end. Mummy and daddy take a lot of pain kamane ke liye, so we should never waste their money, correct? That should be our attitude towards their earnings. They will never say, okay, they will never tell you, okay, please don't, I will buy for you. That will be the thing they will always tell you. But children, you all should always qadar karo beta, maa baap ke paison ki qadar karo. They take a lot of pain. Now this part will be the skin part. Yes, what I was telling, they take a lots and lots of pain to bring the best for you. So you all don't ever think of wasting money for them. Use your colors. Yes, use them and finish it off. Once they are finished, they will be the most happiest person to bring new colors for you, correct? ये नहीं कि हाय भाई इतना टूट गया, अभी मैं ये यूज़ नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए आप तो मेरे लिए नए कलर्स लेके आओ. नो बेटा, दैट इज़ अ रॉन्ग एटीट्यूड. See, even I use Chintu colors. I never waste money. जब तक उसका है ना एकदम खत्मा नहीं हो जाता ना, till that time I use my colors. I don't ever waste them. And I always tell everybody, your mothers and fathers are taking so much of pain to buy things for you all. So please don't mess up with them, and try to be genuine with your demands. जास्त सीख झाली ना, एक लड़की भी झाली. आता हम लोग ये दूसरी करेंगे. दूसरी करने के लिए I have an idea. Oh my god, my hand was dirty. I have an idea. What I will do is I will do this color at the bottom completely. Then I will take my black color and do it completely on this. And then I'm going to scrape it. So that will give a better look for this particular head. So I use my scraper. अभी मेरे पास कंघी वाला स्क्रैपर है तो यूज़ तो करना चाहिए ना. So no, my hand is better. So I make the pony for her. And I'm using a fluorescent color. No, this is light yellow. I want a fluorescent color for her rubber band and for her dress. How bright! Na? Such a bright color. And okay, I've completely colored it fluorescent. Now what I do is I take my red color to make the क्या बोलते हैं इसको, belt should be red. So 2 girls are finished. Now we do the auntie, and for the auntie again what we are going to do is use the lighter shade down. This is the yellow gray children, okay. उसके बाद on her खोपड़ा we are going to do black very carefully. Since we are using black पहले से, you have to be a bit careful. Now for her I do not require any scraping part, okay. Now what should we make her dress like? Okay, so my favorites will be rose pink color, and we will use a little bit of fluorescent pink also. So rose pink color, and I will khichao it with fluorescent pink color. I'll make the blouse fluorescent pink. Okay, this was her hand, I forgot to do its skin. So this is her hand and the skin. So our bacha parties are done. Now the switchboard which is there is always usually white, so let's make it white. Now the laptop can be of any color, so what we will do is we will use a thick marker and make the boundaries thicker, because laptops are usually black in color, correct. So we'll make this like that. Now let the wires be black and the switch be black, okay. So this is done. The borders of the TV also can be done black if you wish. So I'm using a marker to do it, children. You all can use a scale if you're not confident enough in the lines. Even I had used a scale, but फिर पता नहीं क्या खोपड़े में आया. I started doing it with my hand, but now since I've started doing it with my hand, I will complete it with it, so that you know कि तन्नू टीचर को लाइन खींचने को आती. ऑनलाइन दर्शन ऑफ लॉर्ड गणेशा 22nd. Whoever is interested can ping me, or you all can join the Zoom meeting for the online Aarti, which will happen in the morning at this hour, and in the evening at this hour. You will get online prasadam, and you can make online dakshanam. Link will be provided down, so you all can write all this if you all are bringing an online Lord Ganesha. It's a very fantastic idea. Now I'm making the eyes completely black. I don't want this eyeball, I want the eyes to be black. So my eyes are black, and now I will do the shading with my whites and all my colors, my favorite colors. So I will start with the shading part. So I am starting with my buff color, children. I am using my buff color, okay. I pull it out with white. I'm making a very colorful Ganesha, so I'm just pulling this out with white. And after I pull it out with white, I take a little bit of orange this side, okay. I take a bit of orange here, and again I take my white and I try to smudge it off and bring this smudging part. I'm using my hand a bit for the smudging part, okay. This complete portion will be white and orange. So when we go here, we will make it again a bit yellow. So this is done. Now what I take is my greens and my blues, And what I do is I mark this portion blue, a little blue. Then I take my Popatia green and I pull this blue out a bit. Smudging I was doing. And then I take my whites to make it more colorful. See, this is how my Ganesha is, a colorful Ganesha which is going to bring colors of joy. Okay, so now the same concept I'm using for the ear. I'm using blue for the outer part. Then I pull it with my green. So I'm pulling it with my green. Then I take my buff color down here. Buff color with a little bit of orange this side. And then I take my whites and I smudge it off with my Gully Gully technique. So this is one here, a colorful Ganesha. I said it will happen. Now these parts, you will see what I do it. Oh yeah, the scale is troubling me. Now what I do is I take my blue here, I smudge it with my green. Then I take my buff color here. Now I have to leave it this side because I have not made any body shoddy. So let's leave it this side. And then I take my white and I do my gully. So a colorful way of doing. We have used so many colors, correct? So we will be using this color here also. And there should be a mark. This side should be a mark part because the face of the Ganesha was hidden. So I have just used this part a bit. So this is done. Okay, the eyes and all can be re-bordered. Of course, when I'm going to post, I'm going to do the finishing and then I'm going to post it. So all this will be redone before I post it. So this much is done. Now what we do is we take the rose pink color to do the down parts of the lotus. Okay, and then we take our fluorescent pink to pull the rose pink out. And then we take whites, oh bapre, we take a whites to pull it off. So this is done, and then we shall have deep green color somewhere here, a very deep green color because it's a lotus. And then we shall go in with the fluorescent yellow and just smudge it. See, isn't it happening well? Correct? See this fluorescent yellow here, it's coming down. I'll show you the entire way these colors are going to spread. So I've taken my fluorescent yellow. After that again I take my buff color and I'm making a bit of colors this side. Now what I do is I clean my hand to mix these two colors. Okay, I mix these two colors very well. Now what I do is I take my, what is this color? Rose pink color, beta. I take my rose pink color. The way I do it with the watercolor, similar way. Somebody told us, okay, why don't you teach this same technique with oil pastels? So I'm doing that, children. And yes, you have to use a little bit of your hands to smudge it, so that it will give a good look this side. Now pink here, so we shall use blue. It is going to look fantastic. So a little bit of blue. Be very careful not to enter their chotis. Okay, otherwise this girl is going to scream, hey, मेरी चोटी में काहे गई? Tick, 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 tick. See, now we have mixed this. Now again I'm going to take my fluorescent color and go ahead with the blues. So this is my fluorescent. We use more brighter colors so that we get a brighter look, children. Okay, that is the reason why I'm using more of fluorescent color. Now this part of it is going to be absolutely dark, children, absolutely dark. Okay, I have a very small color, so I have to be a bit careful with it. Absolutely dark, because we have to show Lord Ganesha Uthava. Matlab, that figure, this one figure which we really want to show should come out properly. So we just have to smudge this color off and bring it down, and that's it. Now leave it. Okay, similarly when we do here, what we are going to do is, now since this part will be black, so we are just putting black color at the borders just to enhance it. Okay, so we have put this black here just to enhance our colors. Now what we do is, we jump with our browns. You remember the bull which we did, we had used black color even there, if you all remember. This is the way you do it with pastels, so that the face comes Uthava. That's it. Now I'm using my rose pink color to do a bit here. See, rose pink के साथ yellow अच्छा लगता है. So yellows, blues, purples. Yes, we can use purples. Purples is going to look fantastic here. So let us use purples. So we have used purple here. Smudge it with your hands a bit so that it comes well. Okay, now we are jumping with the light purple here, and then we'll go in for our blues. See, this is your TV screen, children. Okay, this is your TV screen, and you all are watching Lord Ganesha live darshan. Mention the name of the building in which you stay. So this is live darshan of Lord Ganesha in this building. So चाचा चाची, मम्मा मामी, फूफा फूफी सब आमंत्रित है, लेकिन लाइव दर्शन के लिए. So actually our drawing is ready. Now what you can do is, you can do any background color. I'm going to stop my video here because I know it has become absolutely long, and I know that background color is just one color which you all can do it easily. I'm going to post it with my borders, rebordering it again. And I feel if I feel I want to leave it white, I'm going to leave it white. Okay, bachos, bye till then. Okay children, I'm back again because everybody started shouting at me that you should not leave it white. See, even I get shoutings being a teacher. I thought my video is becoming big, so let us finish it off, but nobody allowed me to finish it off. So what am I doing is, I'm taking my blue color. I am not understanding actually what background should be the should I do the what background should I do actually. बहुत रात हो गई ना, इसलिए नींद आ गई. अभी मेरे मुंह से words भी छिन रहे. So never mind. So I'm doing this background blue. You all can do it any color of your choice. It is absolutely up to you. If you want to do it colorful, no, but this is colorful, so it might not look good. So leave it into one color. I'm doing blue. That was suggested. Okay. Oh, my friend Ganesha. This time online darshan, हाँ? बाप रे, बहुत कुर्सी हिल रही है. रुक जाओ. So we have done a background also. I'm not left the paper कोरा, है ना? नहीं तो सब बोलेंगे कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा लिख दिया. चलो अभी देखते हैं हम लोग, अगर जो गणपति ला रहा है वो ये इनविटेशन कैसे बनाता है, और हम मेरे को फेसबुक पेज नहीं सॉरी फेसबुक क्या बोलते हैं यार, भूल जाती हूँ मैं, फेसबुक ग्रुप कैनवस एंड सिजर्स में पोस्ट करना. ठीक है, आफ्टर डूइंग इट प्लीज पोस्ट इट ऑन कैनवस एंड सिजर्स. आई वुड लव टू सी दिस ऑनलाइन गणेशा कितनों ने बनाया. Never thought that we will see a day where we will have to do darshan also online, है ना? We usually bring Lord Ganesha's idol at home. This time we are not getting. नहीं तो इसलिए मैं ये बना सक रही हूँ वीडियो, नहीं तो I would have been busy decorating. And what I'll promise you, if next year we do our we bring our idol home, I'll remove videos of all my karastani which I do for making the decoration, and I will keep on posting everyday video. Not this year, but yes, next year I will do it of all my karastanis, and then you all will see how dirty I become when I do all these stuff. Okay, now bye and good night, and I will post it by tomorrow. Bye.